Hello there. In this video we will find how to create object based report in nanoCAD. So let's get started. I have a small drawing on the workspace, as you can see, and on this drawing I will try to create some object based report. For instance, if we list out all the lines in my drawing and their geometrical properties in a table, so to do that we should move to annotate and just click on table, and then we can say load from base. So there are some customized table were added to nanoCAD. So you can click on data extraction, and as I said that these tables are so customized. I mean, you can set the header of each of the tables according to your need, and you can add as many as table you need for your projects. So let's start with the line. So if we choose list of line, so now you can set the grip point. So my grip point will be right hand side, upper right hand side, and click OK. So now if I place the table right here, so the moment I place the table, it is listing each of the line I had used in the drawing, as you can see, and their geometrical properties, right? So you can check the length of the line, angle of the line, and start and end geometrical coordinates values. So likewise, you can also create object based report of circles, right? So this is for circle, right? So this is for circle, right? And you can also create object based report from the dialog box itself. I mean, you on that case you do not need all the user defined formats. You can directly go to the object based report, and then you can actually title, you can write the title of the report. For instance, you can say objects list, right? And now just select objects, and in this window you need to specify, you need to search the kind of objects you want to list out. So on this case I will list out all the dimensions. Say I need all the dimensions, all the line dimensions. So now you can specify the properties as well, so, to be very specific if you need. So I can see that I have only one object, so I'll go with the one objects now. So okay, and now I have all the geometrical properties related to the dimensions. So I can choose from the list, right? So I can say I need only the dimension lines, and if forced line type, or maybe something scale. So maybe this is okay. So if I do that, now this is the report, right? So this is how we can create object based report for any type of drawings in nanoCAD, right? If we move to a bit complicated drawing where I have many lines, text and other things, so there also we can apply the same procedure to create object-based report. So let's go with the templates, user templates. So if we'll try to list out the lines, so click OK and place the report. It will take some time because it's a huge list of lines. There you can see the lines. So there you go, we have a huge list of line. So as you can see, it listed all the lines now. So it's a huge list of lines, as you can see. I'll move again to the table functions and I'll try to create from the table function itself. So once I clicked object based report and then select, and now I'll have to choose the objects. I'll say arc. So now I can see that there are 6 different type of arcs. So now click OK. Now I have different options for the arc. So now I can say list of arcs, right? So I say I need length and the center, that's it, and maybe I need the color. So this is it, and I say OK and I place the report. So this is the report, right? So these are the total number of arc we have in this drawing, and you can find the geometrical properties, right, of all the arcs, right? So this is how you can create object based report for any drawing in nanoCAD, right? Thank you very much for your time.